Page 13, this is leftovers. Actually, I'm going to do leftovers 1 and 2 both in this lesson because we're not doing a whole lot. We're playing the same notes we've been playing. They're just in different patterns and different rhythms. So I'll cover them both here. I mean, leftovers is leftovers, right? Okay. Look at the first one. It's 1 line long with a repeat. We're going to play it twice. Bass clef, 4/4 time signature, and we're using the notes we've been using, quarter notes and half notes, I guess. And the hand is here. And really, the only finger number you need is the first one. Or any of the finger numbers in the first measure would do it. You don't need the others. Just you need to know where to put the hand, and that's it. So we're just going to play the fingers on these keys, whatever they are. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Get the idea? So I go through and I get the notes and the rhythms, okay. There's no real staccatos or anything, but you can put in the phrases if you figure it out. So it's here. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. So it looks like here the first 2 measures is each a phrase, each a musical thought. And I'm just simply lifting up to put a little silence between each one. Okay. And then when I repeat, of course, I lift up. In the second one, it's the same thing. At 4/4 time, we're using the same notes. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I get this one, and it's repeated. You can play it twice. You can put in the phrasing if you figure out what they are. I think it's going to be every 2 measures here. 2. Lift up. Yeah, here it's like 2 measures each. Now keep in mind, phrases don't all have to be the same length. Because I could have, it's like in the leftovers 1, each of the first 2 measures was a phrase, but then the third phrase in it was the last 2 measures together. So it was 2 measures long. So it's whatever the music needs. The phrase can be any length pretty much. I personally don't like short phrases because it makes it sound choppy. I like it to flow, but that's just me. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 on leftovers 1. 1, 2. And the second one, 1, 2, 1. Remember the natural accents. Let's play these 2 together. Now I'm going to do count us in 4 because it's 4/4 time, and we're going to do leftovers 1, and we're going to repeat it. And then I'm going to count us in again, and we're going to do leftovers 2, and we're going to repeat that. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 4. Repeat. 4. 4. 3, 4, off. Now, leftovers 2. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. 3, 4. 2. 2, 3, 4. 2. 4. 2. 2, 3, 4, off.